What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B. I'm back with another video. I'm here to replace my current seat with a new seat. Stay tuned. We're back. Let's finish up this video. Today we're going to be replacing my drag specialty seat with my new seat. Today I'm going to replace it with my new Saddleman San Diego seat. I'm going out of town this weekend and I need a seat that's giving me a little bit more back support, a little bit higher. There's nothing wrong with the drag specialty seat. I just need something with a little bit more support. So let's get this seat removed. Yeah, you see that it comes with a back rest here. So let's get it installed, y'all. Three different levels you can put this seat at. If you don't want to ride with the backrest, you have a patch here that goes right over this right here. You know, if you just want to ride around the city or whatever, you know, you just go into the store, you don't really need the backrest. So you can just put that there and take off. But since I'm going out of town this weekend, I'm gonna need the backrest. Like I said, it's got three different levels on it. Comes with a little pin. So when you put it in here, it'll lock where it needs to lock, so it won't be sliding down and everything on you. So I think you got where it goes all the way down. That's the one, that's the two, that's the three right there. So yeah, so man, so y'all tell me what y'all think about this seat and give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, please click the like button, share it. Please click the subscribe button, help your brother out. But yeah, then tell me what kind of seat you have. If you got this seat, tell me about it. If it's a good seat, but I know I try to find out this weekend, I know you gotta put some miles on this seat. It's got the gel on the inside, so I'm looking forward to riding this seat to Little Rock, Arkansas this weekend. So man, so click the like button, subscribe, and share. And man, stay safe on the tubes. Have a pleasure.